What's up, dog? What you doing? You know, the last time I came over, you were working on our ZR1, so the exact same thing. This is like the same corner, and I think you were doing the same thing too. How's it going, dog?
What's up?
What you doing?
The same car.
No, it's not. It was a red car.
I haven't worked on a red ZR1, I don't think.
Yeah. What are you doing in this one?
It's actually fuel system, trunk tank, and the Synergy inlets.
Interesting. These look way harder to do than regular injectors.
Sometimes they go pew!
Right by high?
Yes.
How many dollars are these FIC injectors?
I think these are just LT4s, but they're still fucking expensive. I don't know, like $3,000 or something like that.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, I just peed on myself.
Oh no. Oh! Damn, it's coming out.
Yeah.
Did you kick the pump on? Oh wait.
Oh wait.
Jesus! It's impressive how much fuel rails hold. Like it's impressive.
Right, get home on that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Probably like...
People are like, I'm out of gas. Well, yeah, right, your rails are still full.
Yeah.
And brake. Oh, forward a bit, and right there. Very nice. Thank you.
Oh, we were trying to figure out the worst year for movies recently.
Recently?
Well, the worst year for movies in the last like 25 years. So like 90s, 2000s, and like recently, right? What do you think it is? What year do you think it is?
Like the worst individual year?
Yeah, like not many good movies came out.
I'm not good enough at remembering what movies came out in what year.
That's a good point, because I'm not either, and I realize this only
like if somebody asked me what year this movie came out, I can get it like within a year or two. But man, that requires a pretty good knowledge base.
And I have that, and it was still very difficult. So how I should have been thinking about it is, what was the time I went to the movie theaters the least? Or what was the time I went to the movie theaters and had the least amount of fun? And I know what year it is, but I want you to guess.
I feel like around the 08 era.
It's close. So I'm gonna need a final answer.
I'd say somewhere between 08 and 10.
So it's 2011.
Okay.
That was the worst official year for movies. But I guess like 2002. And it was like 2002, first Spider-Man, Lord of the Rings.
And then I wasn't seeing them because I wanted to either, just because there's something to do.
Yeah. I remember this because we were all hanging out and we'd go to Tempe Marketplace.
We would like binge movies.
Yes.
But it wasn't even like we really wanted to see.
Yeah.
It was just like...
There's just something to do.
Just get together and eat and see movies.
Yeah.
I feel like that was maybe a little bit later, like 12.
Let's see. Let's see what movies came out in 2011. 2000...
Now that sounds about right. 2011.
Yeah, Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. Super 8, 50/50, Drive, Source Code, Thor, the first Thor. I liked Captain America. Green Lantern, Fast 5.
Green Lantern.
Yeah, Sucker Punch. Warrior.
Yeah, that's definitely in the area I'm thinking of, because I remember seeing Sucker Punch.
Yeah.
At the Regal.
Yeah.
Over at Riverview.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure I was with maybe you and like Steve or something.
Yeah.
I know I was with a group of guys.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember just thinking it was entertaining, but it wasn't all that great.
Mm-hmm.
Do you feel good?
Dog? How's it going?
Good.
You hide all that 1-inch donger line?
Huh?
You hide all the 1-inch donger line? Looks very hidden. Dude, I found out I went to high school with one of the chicks on the USA women's soccer team that like won the World Cup.
Can you do me a solid, buddy, while you tell me that story? Over there, I have washers and nuts.
I was done telling the story, so I guess I don't have to help you now. All the washers, all the nuts?
No, just one. One washer, one nut. Is there maybe a locking washer?
Wait, is it the locking washer you need?
I need that as well.
God damn it, where are the locking washers? Oh. Damn, bro. Okay, so one washer, one nut, and then all of a sudden it's two washers, 5 nuts.
I lied.
It's a big old tank.
Yeah, it's a little excessive.
Alright, I'm gonna fire it up. God damn! Oh god damn! You want a video?
Oh my god. Wow, that's a lot. Look at all that Tampico in there.
Shower.
Dual meth on it, or had the single meth on it before? Yeah. Was there a pulley chain?
Yeah.
One smaller?
Larger on the bottom.
Larger on the bottom, okay. So it's probably going to go up a few pounds of boost.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. We're at like almost empty according to the gas gauge, so we'll probably need to pour a couple of gallons of 91 in.
We got a few gallons.
Okay.
Should be over here somewhere.
Wow, that lined up nicely.
No, this one is just cooling mods, right?
No,
What's some of this one?
I mean, they don't make 7-Eleven cooling mods.
So, upper pulley?
We fixed the heads, ported milk,
Okay.
intake, upper, headers on E.
Okay.
They're just bolt-ons with fixed heads.
Pretty good.
There you go, Eddie. This is why you need a ZR1.
Sending me home crying. I know how you are.
Favorite car, man.
Favorite color?
Greatest car. 70,000 miles ZR1 too.
I know.
It's in really good shape.
It's in very good shape. Hey Nick, how come this one's better than yours?
I can't understand why you get a C7 ZR1. These are far superior.
Yeah, yeah, well, look at the other one as an example. Simple bolt-ons and good gas.
Yeah, but this has a man pedal.
Whoa!
Hey, not everybody can be slow.
Whoa!
And it's not 5,200 to tune it.
It's also true.
5,200 to tune, you could be like 700 wheel with one of these.
Is it on E already? No.
It is on E.
It is on E.
We're at like 70%, so we're basically getting all of it. I'm going to lean it out a little bit, and then we want to ice it. Yeah, okay. Making it platform now. That is a massive tank.
One side is.
Side.
Yeah.
Woo!
It's the one pulling in, the one pulling out.
when he does the cam ported blower and maxes this thing out. Yeah, this blower's not even spun that hard.
No.
Yeah, wait till I overspin the blower to 26,000 RPM. JDM is.
It needs to be like 90 degrees. Yeah, exactly. Now you're getting it.
Wailed, wailed, wailed.
I need someone to hold this gear. Then I kind of need someone to see. If you go back there and you look, the middle of this is lined up with here. So I kind of need that to do the same so that they're pitched at the same angle.
Go up with it.
I mean, I could always measure from here.
Go up with it. That looks about right. Oh, you can see, you wiggle wobble it. That looks about right there.
About?
Yeah.
Okay, grab this. Does it still look right?
Hold on, let me come back here. Yep. Ah, look at it. Alright, and up. Okay, so. Really well on.
Right there?
Car out.
It looks great.
Yeah.
Oh,
Resetting
super
two.
iced out.
It is, man. Ring ding 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 ding. Ding 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 dong.
Where he didn't spin hatchback.
Nope. It was solid. So this is a direct comparison, but I still pulled a little bit more timing out. But boost didn't change here. Boost definitely changed here. So this is where boost would just take it before, now boost is hanging on.
Basically, it's the same, just carrying it out.
Yes.
Holy
percent right now.
Because it's
well, that's the highest crash factor I think I've ever
kind of
seen.
nasty.
We've had a 109 on a
Have
1-1
we?
here. Yeah. Give it a couple weeks. We'll hit a 1-1.
Yeah, I think the highest I've seen here, well, the highest I've seen in general was like a 111. And I just remember 111 because it was 111.
Yeah. Jeez, it's terrifying.
Can we get one of those air conditioners they have in football stadiums?
That's what that black thing is.
They're pretty
Oh, can we get what's it called? Alaska.
in the shop.